bibitaw na.
Martin!
Just making it interesting. Just making it interesting.
Interesting. Hello there.
Hi, Coach Pogi!
Wow.
Hello, ma'am.
What did she say?
Narinig
Ano
mo?
pangalan mo?
What did she say?
Ako po si Tiffany Vistal.
Tiffany, parang familiar ka. Nag-audition ka na ba dati dito? Hindi pa?
Yes po.
Oh, that's why.
Oh.
That's why.
Kawayan.
Yeah. Okay, I
Let's go.
gotcha.
We're done. Let's not get
I
really
gotcha.
We're done. We're done.
Kambal, ikot.
No, you never know. So, Tiffany, I'm so happy to have you back. 3-chair turn para sa'yo. Very deserved. And sabihin ko lang from the beginning, solid ka na eh. I knew you had experienced yung emosyon, tama, yung sort of yung patience mo per line. I liked how you sang this song. Gusto ko yung mga dulo mo, yung hinga lang eh. Walang notes.
Paano, Coach?
I'm not gonna do that. I like yung mga hinga mo lang. It's just, it tells me, na hindi ko alam, no? Habang nakatalikod kami, that you know what you're doing. Sana, mapili mo ako as your coach. I would love to have your experience. Pwede kang makatulong sa mga fellow bagong Camp Kawayan, mga bagong artist na yon. Kasi, para kang pwedeng co-coach eh. Kasi pwede kang mag-mentor na rin eh. Diba? Kasi pwede mo sabihin yung experience mo dati. Sabihin ko sa kanila, uy, tanong nyo kay Tiffany. Kasi she felt this. She knows exactly what you're feeling now. So, malaki kang asset. Malaki kang asset sa akin. Sabihin, importante ka, you can be a very good pillar sa Camp Kawayan. So, sana ako mapili mo. Papasa ko muna kay Coach Martin. Good luck, Coach Martin.
1, 2, 3.
It's time for you to make a decision.
You know, it's like the bamboo's going this way. You know? The wind is blowing and the bamboo's going this way. You know? Tiffany,
Una pa lang, hello, Coach Pogi.
Right? So kung Coach Pogi si Bamboo, ano ako?
That's how they tortured me before. Alam niyo yun?
Careful.
Coach Charming.
Tiffany, tama si Coach Bamboo, si Coach Pogi. Magaling ka talaga mag-breathe, magaling ka mag-pace,
Mahirap di ko hindi nagbe-breathe, ah.
No, iba yung breathing sa singing kasi kailangan yung breath para mag-emphasize yung linya, para magbigay, you know, importance line per line. That's what I heard. And then when you did that screech,
It's not good.
it's that beautiful whistle that you did, it sounded beautiful. Most singers, doon sila takot eh. Kailangan gawin yung ginagawa ni Morissette and all of mo. So I was very, very impressed.
Okay.
But very good job. You sing like a pro, Tiffany. Congratulations. If you're tired with Pogi, you can always lean towards Charming.
Wait, paano naman ako?
Si Coach Pretty.
Wow.
Make it trend, hashtag Coach Pretty.
All right.
Princess Pretty.
Pwede ba yung princess iwan na natin sa ibang season? Hello, Tiffany. Maayo mo kay ka makanta,
ito na.
day. Oh my gosh. Pag taga-Davao, Jud, kay lahi, Jud mo kanta. Hindi, sinabi ko lang po, iba talaga pag mga taga-Davao, magagaling talagang kumanta.
I'm a huge fan po. I've been watching you po since X Factor po.
Check, please. Check.
Sa dating season, napaniwala na ako sa mga ganyan. Umasa ako, binuksan ko na yung jacket ko, pero hindi ako yung pinili. Maraming salamat. Pero hindi na ako basta-bastang napapaniwala sa mga ganyan. Mahirap nang umasa. Tapos hindi ka din naman pipiliin sa huli. Oy, okay po kami ng asawa ko, baka issuein nyo na naman kami. What I loved about your performance is you showed a lot of restraint. Madaming singers na when they attempt to perform that song, they always tend to oversing. But with your performance, narinig ko talaga yung experience mo, na alam mong dapat dapat nagbe-build ako ng tension. And for you to build that tension, hold back mo muna, iniipit mo muna yung feelings, yung vocals mo, medyo mahina lang muna, hanggang sa dumating yung perfect time na yun para bitawan yung kanta. And then you did that whistle note na most of the time, pag ginagawa nila na nilalagyan nila ng whistle, it's off. Wala sa tono. Ang ginawa mo, bullseye mo kaagad. So, sobrang nakakabilib yun. So, I hope you choose me as your coach because I need you in my team. Ang dami-dami kong matututunan from you and I'm pretty sure madami din tayong mga pag-uusapan pa. Labaw na nga, pareho tagigikanan, kabaw tag-unsa kagutom, mga tao sa Mindanao sa mga inaning opportunities.
I agree.
So, atong itayo ang banderas mga taga Mindanao, mga talented na mga Mindanaoans. Okay?
So, Tiffany, now you have to choose.
The reason why I choose this coach, because I think it's someone who inspired me to explore some genres and some challenges.
Happy to
So,
hear that.
ang pipiliin ko pong coach this time. Casey!
You can never tell on this show.
Good one, nice one.
Tell on this show.
Coach, I'll take care of it.
Mindanao represents.
Good job, Casey. You've got a whistler.
Yung maayo kay Kado. Oo na! Okay, maningkamot ha. Maningkamot ha. Ikag sa tangoy. Okay, this is only the beginning. It's gonna get harder, but it's gonna be very worth it. Okay?
Coach, kasi si Tiffany, nakasama ko na dati sa The Voice. Pero nakilala si Tiffany doon sa Dalagang Pilipina Challenge. In 3, 2, 1, go!